Have you ever heard that peanuts can help strengthen bones and prevent dementia? Peanuts are often eaten as a snack or added to various dishes, but many people may not be fully aware of their health benefits. In fact, Time magazine in the United States selected peanuts, along with other nuts, as one of the top 10 superfoods and even called peanuts the king of nuts. Peanuts are beneficial for strengthening bones, especially as we age, and for brain health, offering potential protection against dementia. However, if consumed improperly, peanuts can also negatively affect your health. Today, we will explore the 3 best pairings with peanuts that can create miraculous health benefits, as well as the 3 worst pairings that could harm your health. Best pairing number 1. Nuts. Our brain plays an essential role in our body, regulating memory, emotions, and movement. To maintain brain health, proper nutrition is vital. Peanuts, along with other nuts, are well known for their brain-boosting properties. Despite their small size, peanuts are packed with vital nutrients that are crucial for brain health. In particular, peanuts contain lecithin, a major component of brain cell membranes that plays a key role in preventing the aging and damage of brain cells. Lecithin also promotes the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter necessary for improving memory, focus, judgment, and other cognitive functions. Among the various nuts, walnuts have long been recognized for their brain health benefits due to their resemblance to the shape of the brain. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts are particularly effective in preventing vascular dementia and reducing inflammation in blood vessels, which helps maintain overall brain health. By improving blood flow, walnuts ensure that oxygen and nutrients reach the brain more efficiently. Combining peanuts with other nuts offers a powerful combination that not only helps prevent dementia but also provides significant support for energy recovery. For example, you can prepare a simple nut-based recipe to combine the benefits of peanuts and walnuts. Start by boiling water in a pot and adding a tablespoon of vinegar to blanch the peanuts. The vinegar helps remove any bitterness from the peanut skin. Once the water starts boiling, stir the peanuts and cook them for about 2 minutes, then drain them. You don't need to rinse them, just let them drain naturally. You can also blanch the walnuts in the same manner. Afterward, make a glaze by combining 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and 2 cups of water in a separate pot. Let the mixture boil to create a flavorful marinade for the peanuts and walnuts. This combination of peanuts and other nuts can provide not just dementia prevention, but also a boost to your energy and overall well-being. Start by simmering the peanuts in the sauce until it reduces by about half. Then, add the walnuts and continue to simmer. Be careful not to let the sauce reduce too much, as this can dull the flavor. Leave about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sauce in the pan, then turn off the heat. Finally, sprinkle sesame seeds and oligo syrup on top, stirring everything together to complete the dish. Worst pairing number 1. Roasted peanuts. Many people enjoy roasted peanuts as a snack, but did you know that they can actually be harmful to your health? Roasting peanuts requires high temperatures of over 120 degrees Celsius. This heat causes the proteins and carbohydrates in the peanuts to react chemically, producing harmful substances known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These compounds can accumulate in the body over time and trigger inflammatory responses, accelerating arteriosclerosis and skin aging, and in severe cases, they may even contribute to serious diseases like cancer. Additionally, during the roasting process, a substance called acrylamide is formed. Acrylamide is highly toxic and classified as a carcinogen. For this reason, it is important to be cautious about consuming roasted peanuts, especially those prepared at high temperatures. So, how can you enjoy the delicious taste of peanuts while keeping your health in check? The key is to cook them at temperatures below 120 degrees Celsius. Roasting peanuts at low heat or lightly toasting them allows you to enjoy the flavor without the negative health effects. Alternatively, raw peanuts or peanuts cooked at a moderate temperature still retain their beneficial nutrients. Peanuts, when prepared properly, are still great for heart health, weight management, and blood sugar regulation. Being mindful of how you prepare and consume peanuts is essential to maintaining a healthy diet. Best pairing number 2, peanut porridge. Despite their small size, peanuts are packed with beneficial components for our body, especially for skin health. The unsaturated fats in peanuts play a vital role in maintaining skin moisture. Dry skin can lead to various skin problems, but consuming peanuts in the right amounts can help prevent these issues. Additionally, peanuts contain polyphenol, which help prevent skin aging and promote a glowing complexion. These compounds stimulate skin cell activity and improve skin elasticity, contributing to healthy, youthful skin. Peanuts are also known for their strong antioxidant effects, which protect against skin aging and maintain overall skin health. To fully benefit from these properties, it's important to consume peanuts in the right way. Improper consumption could diminish their effectiveness, so understanding the best way to incorporate peanuts into your diet is crucial for maximizing their health benefits. When it comes to storing peanuts, it's important to keep them in their shells to prevent spoilage. If the outer shell is removed, peanuts are more susceptible to oxidation and can easily come into contact with air, leading to mold growth. This mold produces aflatoxins, which are potent carcinogens that can severely damage the liver and even cause serious diseases like liver cirrhosis and cancer. To avoid this risk, it's crucial to store peanuts with their shells on. Before consuming them, check the freshness by smelling them. Rotten peanuts will often have a distinct rancid odor. By ensuring you consume fresh, properly stored peanuts, you can enjoy their skin health benefits safely. Now, let's make peanut porridge with well-stored peanuts. Start by rinsing and soaking some rice. Then, wash and soak the peanuts. Grind the soaked peanuts with 150 milliliters of water. In a pot, add the ground peanuts and rice, adjust the water, and cook until it's done. This peanut porridge is perfect for a healthy breakfast. Worst pairing number 2, beer. Peanuts are often a popular snack to pair with beer, but consuming them together can have negative effects on your health. Peanuts are high in fat and are harder to digest, and when eaten with cold beer, the digestive process can be slowed down. Alcohol, which the body uses as an immediate source of energy, takes priority over other nutrients. This means that when consuming peanuts, rich in fats, the breakdown of alcohol is inhibited, leading to fat accumulation in the liver. Over time, this can result in fatty liver and impaired liver function. The delayed alcohol breakdown also worsens hangovers. Extending recovery time. A severe hangover can interfere with daily life and increase blood fat levels, which in turn harms cardiovascular health. Therefore, when drinking, it's better to avoid fatty snacks and choose lighter, more easily digestible, and nutrient-rich options. Eggs. Peanuts are rich in niacin, also known as vitamin B3, which is an essential nutrient with significant benefits for cardiovascular health. Niacin helps lower bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It also plays an essential role in preventing the worsening of arthritis, improving brain function, and aiding in cell signaling as we age. However, niacin is not efficiently absorbed by the body on its own, which is why it's important to consume it with vitamin B12. If B12 levels are low, niacin is excreted through urine, so it's crucial to ensure adequate intake. The best way to enhance the absorption of niacin from peanuts is by pairing them with eggs, especially the yolks, which are rich in vitamin B12. This combination can significantly improve cardiovascular health, brain function, and joint health. Worst pairing number 3. Anchovies. Many people enjoy mixing peanuts into stir-fried anchovies as a side dish, but this combination can be detrimental to your health. Anchovies are rich in calcium, while peanuts are packed with fats, proteins, and B vitamins. When combined, the calcium in anchovies reacts with components in peanuts to form insoluble calcium oxalate. This form of calcium is poorly absorbed by the body and can lead to the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, calcium is vital not only for bones and teeth, but also as a neurotransmitter. A calcium deficiency can lead to symptoms like anger and depression and cause cognitive issues such as memory loss. Though both anchovies and peanuts are healthy on their own, consuming them together can interfere with calcium absorption and increase the risk of kidney stones due to the formation of insoluble calcium oxalate. As we age, one of the concerns we often have is dementia, which is a terrifying disease that not only affects the person but also their family, making life really difficult. That's why it's crucial to detect and treat it early. Along with an early diagnosis, regularly exercising your brain can also help prevent dementia. Today, I've prepared a simple test called the Stroop test, which is great for brain function. Take a look at the text below and try reading it aloud. The word says red, but the color is actually green. Your task is to say the color, not the word itself. I'll demonstrate first. Red, blue, yellow, purple, green. Now it's your turn. Try to say the color of the word aloud within 30 seconds. Count how many you can say correctly. If you manage to get 12 or more right, your brain function is fine. However, if you got 8 or fewer correct, it may indicate a decline in cognitive function.